What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu here. That was my impression of a wild animal. Were you convinced? Were you convinced that I was a terrifying wild animal? Anyway, we're taking a look at some animal supplements. What is that? What are we looking at here? So from the main hero image, I see animal pre-workout pump, maximize cell volumization, nitric oxide booster, circulation, pill packs. So instantly seeing this, I thought this was a protein powder or some sort of powder supplement. Maybe not a protein powder, but I thought it was a powder supplement because it was in a canister. But it looks like it's a pill pack. And yep, these are pills. How many is inside of this? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6, so 9. So 9, and then it's 30 packs, so it's like 270 pills. Is that right? Not sure. So I'm assuming this is not... the math ain't mathin'. So is it... Am I getting all these in one packet? What does that packet look like? So I need to see... First of all, I would need to see from the outside here that these are actually pills. I know it says pill packs, but show me the pack of pills. So show me these pills in the pack on the outside of this. This is a very D2C image for your website, but it's not clear on Amazon. And we're running a PickFu on the main image to see what people are thinking, so we'll get to that in a second. But it just says pump, which is all right. But what about this? Let's see. Okay, so we got a guy using it, or a guy would use it. Increased vascularity, muscle volumizing, stims and nootropics. Okay, cool. But we don't see someone with a glass of water taking it, living their best life. Why are they taking it? What's the alternative to taking this? Ingredients that work hard. Again, areas for lifestyle images showing the avatar. Back of the packaging. This just says animal. Okay, manufactured in the US. So saying it over here helps people get a little bit more trust about something they're ingesting in their bodies. So you want, and then that's really kind of okay. So I don't click on video, so I'm not going to click on this video here. But see this pack right here, perfect to put right next to this. Just kind of teetered on the side over here. This tells people exactly what they're getting. So don't always think that people are going to get down. I'll click on the video. I never do. See, that tells a lot more. The video, I hate when this happens. When the video shows more really good assets, like this guy's jacked and he's working out. Like, why are we not showing him? Why are we not showing the pills next to the canister over here? Why are we not showing the packs? Like, these are all really great images to put in here in your photo stack. So that's a weird thing, right? 30 count pack of 1. What? It's a 30 count, but it's a pack of 1. I don't think you need pack of 1. It's a 1P vendor central offering, so that might be Amazon's wacky kind of thing. That doesn't really make too much sense. I mean, you're selling a good amount. Bullet points. Exposure to heat or sunlight may lead to melting or damage of product. For pills? Maybe capsules. Trusted manufacturer. New Brunswick, New Jersey. Local guys to me. So let's go down here and see. Okay, we do have a brand story module, but you don't show any. I've seen the brand before. There's a whole series or regiment of all these supplements and products. Why are we not showing any of that over here? This is very simplistic and clean, but that doesn't always mean that it's going to resonate really well. So there's a ton of products in this storefront, but you don't see any of them here. Since 1983, that's fantastic. Why is that not in your photo stack up here? Talking about since 1983. It's not everyone's going to make it below the fold. Are we doing alt text? It's just describing the image, which is good, but I mean, it's not great because you're not getting the extra SEO juice since we're talking about supplements. From the manufacturer. All right, this guy's ripped, showing that. Pump, pre-workout, and we don't show the pills. So we don't show the pills down here. We don't show how to take it. 1 pack equals this amount of pills per day or capsules, which is the equivalent of having to buy all these other different, products and stuff like that. So buying one of yours is the equivalent of buying 9 individually, right? And who wants to do that? That's the value prop. That's the real value prop that you want to show people. My dog is chewing on his octopus like crazy. Cosmo, stop. I'm filming a video. You want to show that more because it's not clear down here. Do we have the alt text in this? Pump banner. Yeah, you're not doing the alt text good enough. But it's a brand name that's known. See, like all this kind of stuff down here. So let's look at the brand store. The reason why I say like regiment and a system, look at all these products. Look at all these cool, and someone's buying not just one, they're buying some chews, right, for creatine. They're buying the protein powder. They're buying the post-workout. So the thing is, they do use, interesting, now that I looked at some other stuff, they are doing best practice on stuff like this, which I like. I like to see the pills, the chewables, the flavor prop on the outside. What they're missing still is the made in the U.S. or since 1983 or stuff like that, because that really reinforces the fact that it's a trusted brand. But let's go back to the one we're looking at, and it could be that it's an older listing. See, I love this. I love this. It's very clear. I love ice cream. I love vanilla. I love chocolate. I know what I'm getting into. Bang up job here. But that's not what we're looking at. Anyway, we're looking at this one. So let's see if this is newer or not. No, it's not new. It's old. So was that 2003 or 2023? Did I lose my mind? 2003? Wow. So this is really old. So they probably haven't gotten to it yet. They're probably prioritizing other ones that are either newer or bigger movers for them. So I probably picked an off one for them. But they still want to do this because I know a lot of companies are selling these pill packs and stuff like that on other different places. So yeah, understand that just because this is the product page, we don't want to see the same images from the image stack down in the A+. This is your chance to kind of expand on what we're talking about. So, and like this guy's, yeah, he's jacked, but he's not facing the camera. You want to see someone like eye contact, like, yeah, I'm an animal. I'm not really good at that. I did what I always do, kiddies. I bring the receipts. So let's take a look at the PickFu. So I asked, let me zoom in here, a little zoomeroni and cheese. I said, if you're shopping on Amazon and saw this image, do you have any questions about it, or would you know exactly what this is and what it's used for? And I just put that image. This is a supplement for working out in pill packs. You use them before workout. I have a good idea. It's a pre-workout product. I feel like this is a supplement that prepares your body for a strenuous workout. Pre-workout supplement. Time to get pumped. Not exactly, but it appears to be some kind of pill you take. Pre-workout pump, but I would still have some questions. I want to know what maximizing cell volumation. I also want to know how many pills are contained in a pack, right? So someone wants to know how many pills are in a pack. I would not have any questions that I would about it and would ignore it. To me, it looks like supplements for workouts that probably do damage to your health, or for other weaklings that can't put in the work at the gym. Oh man, this male making over 100K, 35 to 44 with a bachelor's degree, is calling everybody weaklings. It helps you draw more blood in your muscles. Okay, that's what it's used for. Pre-work. No, I would not know what it is exactly. What's the use of the product? Is there any packaging design? Because this one seems to be dull and boring. So, all in all, people did understand what it was. But I guess I should have asked, like, do you know how you take it? Because that one question here said they want to know how many pills are contained in a pack. So showing that, giving more transparency to those pills is super important. And just because I'm feeling silly, let me just go ahead and make this, because I want to show you guys how easy this is. You're going to go here, take this. It's very, very simple, guys. I'm going to go this, paste this down here like that. Drop the background. Go back to the product detail page. We don't have any images of the things. Down and dirty version of it like this. Obviously, you'd want to do it with a better rendering, but this is what you want to do. Obviously, this sucks because the image is not good, but that's the idea. That's the idea that you want to do, is put it next to it, make it look a little bit better, even if the pills were scattered around in the sides. So if you say like pills, sounds crazy. Obviously these aren't the proper pills, but the idea is that we'd want to put the proper ones over here. So whether it's in a pack and then keeping it balanced and putting something over here like this. that gives a better idea that it's a pill, not a powder, not a mix, not anything like that. So that is what I would do. But if you guys liked anything we talked about today, and as always, you're like, oh, John, this is great. I don't know how to use Canva. I don't want to do PickFu. I'm tired. It's Friday. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. You do it. We can. PickFu has a done for you service where we literally call DFY done for you. Put down the octopus. Cosmo, put down the octopus. Step away from the octopus. And in the done for you process, we take your image, we run all the PickFu polls for you. We have our graphic designers that are experts in CTR and making sure to get that compelling click and let people very clearly see the value prop and the perceived value in your product. And we give that to you. We literally had a client of ours within 72 hours after doing a done for you on a main hero image, doubled his sales. Did nothing else, didn't do any extra PPC. He doubled his sales within 72 hours after we got him the main hero image. That could be you. Could have been us. What does that mean? It could have been this could have been us, but you playing. Anyway, guys, that's another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown. Johnny with PickFu. This was powered by PickFu. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend. We will catch you on the flippity floppity back on Monday. Same bat time, same bat channel.